Hello guys, I am Jitendra Churasia. Welcome you to my channel, The Office Guys Tutorials. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you create a cool looking slide in just PowerPoint. So here is the front page of the slide, which goes something like this. Then you have a title of slide and you have content, and it changes with the color. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how can you create by using morph. In case you don't know what is morph, so morph is a transition which was added in 2016, and for the customers who have a pro version of this. But don't worry, in case you are still using the old version, I will try my level best to give you the best result. So first of all, the question comes how to make this shape. So in case you have missed my previous tutorial, you can just go and check out the video. The link is given in the description box, or you can check the I button on the top. So let's start. I'm assuming that we are ready with the shape here, and I'll press Ctrl N to take a new document, and let's just copy paste here. Yeah, so we are pretty much done. I will select everything, or just I will change the layout to blank so that we don't have anything. And just to make sure that it is aligned properly, I'll come to format option, align center and align middle. Okay, so it is properly in the center of the page. Now I'll take a new slide, and let me just change its layout to title and content. So here we have, and let me just copy this once again this shape, and Ctrl V to paste it. I will just bring it somewhere here, so when it is centered. Okay, so you can see it's matching the line, and now let's just make it center in the middle. So that's done. Now let's move these two things on this side, and I'm thinking to increase the size a bit. So I'm pressing Ctrl and Shift together and stretching it. So here we go. Let's reduce the text box, and I will change the font to look something like nice. Open Sans will be fine. And let me just name your title goes here, and I will change for this also. It's going to be Open Sans once again, and let's do one thing. I will make it Open Sans, some bold or black, and I will just make it bold. Fine, and this is my text here. So let me just write here, and let me just give a color or the same as of the current one here. Okay, so I'm choosing right now as a green color, and let me just copy paste this so that we have some content over here. So let's say we have some 5 bullet points here. Now what we have to do is we have to Ctrl C V how many numbers you want. Okay, so I have pressed Ctrl C once, and just I have Ctrl V to paste it. Now just quickly rotate this. So what you have to do is press Shift and rotate it so that this blue comes, and you change this color. So I'll double click here to select everything and change its color to blue, and a similar way we'll rotate it again until this purple comes into picture, and I will change its color to purple. And third, this blue here, and let me just change this color. It looks like it is blue, or not this one, the dark one. Okay, so this is what we have, and let's just have a preview here. So I think we have done for only 4, so I will delete the remaining. If you want, just to save the time, I'm deleting these. So we have like this: first one, second, third, fourth, fifth. So one thing you can notice, there is no animation here, there is no transition. So what I'm going to do is very easy. So you come to transition tab, and if you are able to see morph here, you just have to press it, and you're good to go. You need not to worry for anything. So you can see your first slide, second slide, third slide, fourth slide, fifth slide. Okay, let's say you imagine this is going too slow, so just reduce it time to around 0.5 seconds. So let's see. Okay, so this is your first slide, second slide, third, fourth, fifth. So that's all about tutorial. But what if you don't have morph option here? If you're using 2007, 2010 or 2013, you will I'm pretty much sure that you will not have this morph option. So in that case, what we can do is changing the color will be slightly difficult, but still you can rotate the shape. So I don't want any other any other slide. So what we have to do is now come to animation tab, select this, and let's give it an animation called spin. Okay, so it's spinning. Nice. Now come to effect option, and we don't want it to spin full, not even half, not even quarter, because there are total 8 sides. Okay, so we have to spin it 1 by 8. How we can do that? So come to animation pane, double click over here, under effect tab, amount, and you choose custom and you make it 45 degree. Okay, and press click, and then confirm it by clicking OK. So you can see, yeah, it's rotating 45 degree. That's very nice. Now what you have to do is just reduce its timing. So let's see how it looks. Nice. Now what we have to do is, once again we have to add animation. So again we'll add spin, don't worry. Now double click again and custom, just change it to 45 degree and click OK. Now once again add animation, spin, and once again change it to 45 degree. I'm doing for 3 times, and let's see what is the outcome that we're going to get. And this is this color. I'll be sticking to the black color. Let's, for example, now reduce the timing for these two also. So just make it 1. Now let me come to the presentation view. So this was the first, second, third. So in the similar way you can do for the remaining rotations also. Just you have to remember how many shapes you have. Let's say if you have 6, so what you have to do is you have to divide 360 into 6 parts, so it comes to 60 degree. So in that case you have to enter 60. Right now I have total 8 sides, so I entered 45. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial, and you can find the link to create this shape in the description box. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends. And if you are not a subscriber to this channel, I would recommend you to subscribe this. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.